Please take the Wi-Fi stick from the package and insert it in the Wi-Fi or GPRS port.
Open FoxCloud 2.0 app, click Getting Start. Choose your region. For new users using it for the first time, select Create an account. Please read the privacy agreement statement carefully, check the relevant regulations, and click Agree. Select your account type. Register the installer account. Fill in the username, set the password, email, and obtain the email verification code. Click Next Step if finished. You can create your own organization. You need to fill in the organization name, country, address, and then submit. You can also directly join an existing organization if you already have an invitation code. Fill the code and the submit. The invitation code needs to be obtained from the agent. Connect your device to network, click Go to Connect. Please turn on the Bluetooth of the mobile phone in advance and confirm that the device is correctly connected and powered on. Select the right device and click Connecting Network, and then configure the Wi-Fi in your scene. After the user completes the registration, enter the account password and select the privacy agreement to log in. Click Plant after the distribution network is completed. Click Plus for device adding. You can choose to add the device by scanning the QR code on the device label or entering the SN code of the device. Click Confirm when you are done. Fill the other information and save it. Now you can see the new plant that you have created, and you can click Device to see the information of Data Logger. Download the FoxCloud 2.0 on Google Store or iOS Store.